Yeah, so this month, investment tip of the month is 6 reasons to legalize your basement. So people always come to us and they want to know, is it worth legalizing your basement? Well, we actually had a chat about it and we wanted to tell you that it definitely is. And the first reason, Tim, what's our first reason?
First reason is increasing your rents. As every real estate investor knows, anytime you can increase your cash flow, it's a good time for real estate investing. So legalizing that basement suite, the number one thing it does is it allows you to charge more rent every month.
Yeah, we actually have an investor who just took possession in Canyon Meadows just last month, Brandon. It was his 4th property actually, and he rented out the upstairs for $1,900, which we actually told him he would rent for about $1,550. He's in the process of legalizing it, but he rented it for $1,900. We couldn't believe it. So does it increase the rents? It definitely does. It may only increase it if it's a half duplex by $50, but it will increase the rents. And not only that, it will attract tenants to stay for a longer period. So that's our second reason. You'll find tenants that will move into a legally suited property, they'll stay longer. They're not turning over as much. So that's another reason. Tim, the third reason.
The third reason is it increases the value of the property. That's what everybody tries to do over time, is increase the value of your property. Regular appreciation will do it, but if you can add value by either increasing the square footage, legalizing a basement suite, something like that, it's really going to help you on the appreciation side and the equity side.
Yeah, and legalizing a suite, sometimes it takes as little as $2,500. We've done it multiple times for $2,500. I mean, you have to know what to look out for when legalizing, how much it will cost. Certain items that are included here are drywalling the ceiling, putting fire-rated doors in, making sure the windows are large enough, putting a sprinkler system in, putting smoke detectors. There's a whole bunch of things that go with it. But if you know what you're looking for, you can definitely legalize a basement with as little as $2,500. And how much can it increase the value by? We've seen anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 in appreciation just on legalizing the basement. Tim, number 4.
And number 4 is it's safe housing for tenants. We touched on it a little earlier about how tenants will stay longer. One of the big benefits is tenants know that it's safe. The number one thing about basements is fire safety. We've gone over this with our contractors all the time. So providing the right sprinkler system in the furnace room, the right smoke detectors and CO detectors, and the right egress, whether it's bigger windows or the proper doorway. The safety is it's a huge influence on keeping your tenants longer and making more money.
Yeah, and that, guess what, helps you sleep at night. So if you've read those horror stories, we are actually going through the process with all of our clients to help them legalize their basement suites. Not only that, when we're buying properties, we're actually we're working with the right contractors and taking them through step by step on how to legalize these properties straight away when they buy it.
Yeah.
And we've got a system that we've perfected over the last 15, 16 years, and it's really working. And the reason why we do this, and this is one of the biggest reasons, Tim, and reason number 5, is that once you legalize a basement suite, it actually helps you buy more properties because the banks now will take into consideration both sets of rents. If you have a illegal suited property, the banks can only calculate the upper rents, okay? But when it's legal, they will now take into consideration both sets of leases, and that will help you qualify for more rental properties, which is really, really exciting. The last point, number 6.
Number 6 is it lets you sleep at night. So you know you have a safe place, you know you're getting increased rents, you know the property value is going to go up higher than the average of the community. All of these factors help you as an investor sleep better at night because you know your investment is working for you.
Yeah, and we want to tell you, you're providing affordable housing for these people. There's people out there that would love to rent in basements, and we get this question all the time, Tim. You know, can't you hear the noise upstairs and things like that? Yes, you can hear the noise upstairs when you live in a basement suite, but these people don't care because you're providing affordable housing for them, and that's what it's all about. And I hope this investment tip has helped you guys. And if you need to legalize a basement, just reach out to us. We know exactly what to do. And if you're looking for more tips each month on investing in real estate, it's free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's called Crew TV. And we can't wait to give you the next month.